Kamusta mga kateki? In this video, pakita sa inyo isa sa mga opportunities na pwede natin gawin online. Okay, so mga teki, nandito nga tayo sa ating GCash account. And from here, no, ito na video na natin to before, pero gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo ulit kasi napakagandang opportunity talaga nito. So from here, sa dashboard, punta tayo sa G-Invest. And then from G-Invest, go to G-Funds. Yan. And then from here, invest lang. Yan. So, dito may makikita kayong mga products. And itong mga products na to, makita nyo, may 10% per year, 11% per year, 15% per year, 17% per year. And if you scroll down here, may 32% per year yung mga managed by Atram. Subok na natin yan, no? So, meron tayo ditong Global Consumer Trends. Click natin yan, 45% per year. 45% per year ito, makikita nyo, pataas talaga yung stock niya at around 210. So minimum nito to invest is 1,000 lang per month, or kahit ilang beses mong magpasok dito, it's always 1,000. Alright, so from here may maintaining balance of 500 and past 1 year 45%. So imagine this, you have 100 and within 1 year, kumita ng 45% or 46% na nga actually. So, at the end of the year, it's going to be 146, no? So, imagine that. So, ganun siya nag-work, no? Yung 45% na yan. So, meron pa dito 49% itong mga global technology feeder. And, ito, fund picks. Microsoft, Apple, Alphabet, Google, probably these are invested with the AI. And if you want to invest or participate with the AI race, no, which is the hype right now, or which is the trend right now, no, so dun talaga nagpupunta yung mga funds ngayon, no. So kaya siya ganun kalaki, ganun siya kataas yung 49%. So with the current situation natin, 49% per year. Yung inflation rate natin, let's say, pinakamabilis ngayong April is 6%. So, nabit mo na inflation, nagkaroon ka pa ng additional income, no? That's how powerful it is. So, this one, 49%, if you have 100, it's going to be, let's say, 149. So, less mo na lang inflation doon. It's very minimal. So all you need to do from here is just click buy and agree, next. Okay. So from here, diretso na, no, from your wallet. So if you have money in your GCash wallet, then you can just input how much you want to participate here. Yan. And auto-compute na yan kung ilang units yung mabibili nyo with the current amount that you put in. So your order will be completed in 5 business days. Since this is through GCash and through mutual funds, they're going to have some days to process it. All right. And additional information, minimum amount to invest is 1,000. Okay. All right. So dito naman sa Global Consumer Trends, sila nag-invest with Amazon, Tesla, Nintendo. So these are still participating with AI kasi si Tesla and Amazon, they are participating with the AI race. Okay, so again, if you have an aggressive risk appetite, fund risk rating, they will give you a survey or questionnaire, no. So if you are an aggressive, and again, you need to have an emergency fund for this, because yun nga, syempre kung mataas yung return nito and kabaligtaran din yung pwede nating ma-expect, no. So we need to have that patience para maintay natin yung pagbalik niya sa pagtaas, kasi as you can see, yan. So from 190 it went down to 180. So compute nyo na lang kung ilang percentage yan. Umakyat and then bumagsak, mas mababa pa sa 180. But if you have the patience and kaya mo maghintay. Yan, after it went down, and it went back up to 210. Yan, 220 pa nga, no? Kasi lagpas-lagpas pa yung linya na yan. Alright, so those are yung ATRAM Global Consumer Trends and Global Technology Feeder Fund. Okay? So, pwede nyo paglagyan yan, and you can also go with Global Equity Opportunity Feeder Fund. Yan. These are the aggressive ones. Itong mga feeder funds. Okay? And ito, dividend paying. Look at that. You are already getting dividend from this asset. Tapos may 14% ka pa na capital appreciation. Okay? Look at that. So from 46 it went up to 47. So this one, minimum amount to invest. Wala ka ng excuse, no? Not to invest because piso lang ang minimum eh. Yan, maglagay ka ng 10 piso diyan. Okay? Okay na. Tapos schedule auto invest mo na lang. That's how easy it is, no? You don't need to complicate it. Hindi yung mga nakikita na sa social media, you don't need to complicate it. Just go here if you want to participate and just do it regularly. Okay? Do it regularly, be it weekly or monthly or quarterly. Just do it with a regular fixed amount and i-average nyo lang. Ganun lang, no? And yeah, we may not have that 49%, pero kung makakuha ka ng 30 or 20%, it's not bad. Okay? Kasi nag-average ka eh. The more na tumataas yan, tumataas din yung average mo. Pero the moment it goes down, that's the hard part. Are you still willing to put in? Okay? So, yun lang. It's your opportunity it's your opportunity kapag bumaba yan. And that's a time that we can have bigger percentage here. Okay? So a lot of options here, and ito matagal na talaga to. So parang mga 3 or 4 years na yata itong G funds na to. So it's about long term. Okay? And also it's inside GCash. So it's very safe. Alright? So anything happens, mananagot pa rin si GCash dito. So, may assurance tayo kasi may pangalan na to GCash na to eh. Alright? So, yun lang. Participate and also do it regularly. So, thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.